Did you know that over 40% of Americans now work remotely, at least part-time? And that number is even higher in Canada and the UK. But here's the twist. While more people work from home, many still struggle to actually make enough money doing it. So, what if I told you there are AI tools that can help you work smarter, faster, and earn more from the comfort of your home? In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful AI tools that are changing how remote workers make money, save time, and stay productive whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, side hustler, or just someone trying to break free from the 9-to-5 grind. This one's for you. Let's be honest, working from home sounds amazing until reality hits. You're juggling tasks, wasting hours on repetitive stuff, and wondering why you're not getting enough done or getting paid enough. And with inflation rising in the US, UK, and Canada, every minute and every dollar counts. So how do you turn things around? That's where AI steps in. Tool number 1, Notion AI, your personal productivity assistant. Tired of planning your week manually? Notion AI can now write your to-do lists, summarize long meeting notes, and even create content outlines for you. Think of it like a digital secretary that never complains. Use it for daily task planning, project management, content calendars. It saved me 6+ hours a week just planning content and meetings alone. Tool number 2, ChatGPT, the ultimate brainstorm partner. Yes, we're using it right now. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It helps you write emails, brainstorm business ideas, build resumes, write blog posts, even code. Instead of spending hours thinking of what to say, it helps you sound smarter. Tool number 3, Descript, AI for video and podcast editing. Making content online, Descript lets you edit videos just by editing the text. Delete words and it removes the clip. Magic. It also does auto captions, removes filler words like and even clones your voice. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, online teachers. Tool number 4, Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. This one's wild. Opus Clip uses AI to detect the best parts of your long videos and automatically repurposes them into TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No need to re-edit, just upload and boom, viral-ready content. Great for social media marketers, creators, coaches, or online educators. Tool number 5, ClickUp AI.
It's 10 times more powerful than ChatGPT.
All right, Zeb, is it ready?
It's ready. It's really crazy.
So what is this?
This is Brain.
All-in-one work hub with brain power. ClickUp AI helps manage remote teams, automate reports, generate documents, and keep everyone in sync without the endless Slack messages. Use it to track time, automate workflows, keep freelance clients updated. Which one of these tools are you most excited to try? Comment below and let us know if you've used any of them or if we missed one of your favorites. Also, if you're serious about remote work and want more AI tips and productivity hacks, check out our next video right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.